guys, welcome back to No Luck Garage. So today is a fun day. We're trying to get the rear end out from underneath the truck. I don't have any torches, so we got the little bottles of MAP gas and oxygen. That didn't work. Well, it kind of did. It lasted for a minute or two. Let me think, what else we got going on? We had to cut the shocks off, well, one side. Then we wanted to use the same bolts, front and back, the leaf springs both sides to unbolt it. Can't do that. One bolt on the top of the shackle on the passenger side and the opposite on the driver's side. The rear end's gonna unbolt anyway, so the brake line came loose. Thank God I got Mike here. And we're about to jack this up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put, I got two like paver stone kind of things. We're gonna set the jack stands on that, bring the whole thing up as high as we can go, and then let the rear end down, take the bolts out, let the rear end down, take the tires off, pull it out from under the truck, put the tires back on it, whatever, we'll figure it out. Once the rear end's out, that's really what I wanted to show you on the video today, was opening the diff cover. I've never had it opened, so I don't know. I have no idea what's gonna be in there. I'm also waiting on some new goodies whenever the mailman gets here. He's taking his time today. But I got a new camera, so that's really gonna help with making the videos and stuff. I know it's only the second video and I probably should have waited, but I've always wanted a camera like that. It's a GoPro Hero 8. So when this is together and we wanna do burnouts and stuff, I could just suction cup the camera on the side of the truck and send it. So we're gonna flip the camera around and we should be just about ready to get this thing up in the air and the rear end out from under it. Tires are off both sides. One bolt holding it in. There's one bolt holding it in. So that guy, see it's kind of off back there. It's kind of off. Both those sides are done. This is the only thing left holding it in, so easy. Well, don't we want to have tension on that?
It's coming out of the back pockets, which is what we want. We want to drop up and out of there.
Well, shouldn't we pull that bolt out and then let it down?
Well, there's still tension on the bolt, so
just keep going down with it and
see what it does. Just let her down. Let her eat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right.
Okay. Whoa.
She's only bending a bad leaf.
Yeah. Hey, I think.
No, because
now
she's twisted a little bit.
That's all kinds of twisted.
So jack her back up.
Well, wait a minute. We might have a sweet spot here. No.
No. Well, hang on. Let me grab the ratchet.
It wants to do this, too.
Get the ratchet here.
Hold on. If I can push the jack forward like that.
Oh yeah, maybe. Keep wiggling it.
I can go down with it.
No, I'm gonna have to just
Doing something, you know.
just thread it out. Because of course that wouldn't. Yeah, right behind that washer.
There's the threads.
She should drop any moment. Okay. Now you can wiggle the. Actually, I might be able to. Huh? Hang on.
Should I go down with it a little bit more? Or?
Hang on.
Huh?
Let me finish.
Holy shit. All right. Now the only thing I'm worried about is it coming down and hitting that jack stand.
Send it.
What do you mean send it?
Send it.
I sent it.
We're good. Now you just gotta
Figure out how the hell to get it out of there.
That's gonna be a 2-person balance.
Yep. Yep. Okay, so we dropped it. Let's pull it on out here. All right, guys, so we got it over here. We got the garage cleaned up a little bit, and we're about to take the last couple of bolts off. Anybody's final bets on what this is going to look like in here? I don't know what it's going to be disgusting, I'm sure. This never came off since I've owned it. 4 years, 5 years.
Not much of effort.
No, I guess not, Although it's never been a problem. Ooh.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
What is this?
That came off probably the cover.
It's metal. That's metal.
No, it's Loctite.
Is it?
Off the
oh,
bolt.
okay. Get some of that just right in your... Yeah, just get that in you. I love the smell of it. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these blocks we got holding this thing and get ready to set her on it. I'm just gonna try to do the tip and get most of it out of it.
Oh, we got some.
Stick a magnet in there after and have a look at it.
It looks like maybe.
Can you hold it like that real quick? You got it? Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of water.
Can you pull up some more, or this brick is too damn tall? Yeah, it's just okay.
Looks like maybe a teensy bit of water, but I can't really see where the water can get in at. But
Yeah.
it might be just the oil.
I mean, I wish I had a different pan so I could check to see if there's any metal in it. Well, we got where's my light? Where did it go? Half of the time I spend in here is finding shit I thought I had. I had a light. Is it the tool cart? No. Oh, right there. Light and magnet. Ew. Huh? Well, yeah.
Yeah. There's some debris from when the cover came off. But.
Some debris. All we're gonna do is I've got posi for it.
You can also see what your gears will be.
Yeah. And bearings and axles, seals, and all that good stuff.
Can't go by the code in the glove box. That's different. So.
Yeah. Do you think that ought to be drained enough? We can flip it back.
Yeah.
Got it? Ew.
No size of that block.
A bunch of schmoo. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't smell like typical.
No, it don't smell like
It almost
gear
looks
oil.
like chocolate milk.
It's got a more... It doesn't have that potent gear oil smell at all.
No, it smells old. It smells...
Yeah, it smells like really
Where's the
old,
magnet?
really old oil.
Smells like it's been in there for a minute. There's a piece. There's something. There's some of the see down there. Is that something to be concerned about, or? It's a good magnet.
It might be... I guess so. I'm thinking it's probably a piece of casting. Factory, just mold casting.
That's just...
And there's a lot of debris from the cover.
That's nothing. Yeah. The cover doesn't look... Cover's fine.
It almost looks like a factory gasket.
I wouldn't be surprised. There's a lot of things that are not touched on this.
There's a magnet in it.
I wouldn't be surprised if it was factory. But for now, I'm just gonna have to get out here and clean and count the teeth and figure out the unit that I have that's going in it is right over here. I don't know if I showed you guys that last video or not. I have too much stuff back here. Some of these things need to be cleaned out. So there is surface rust on it. I got it from a buddy of mine. He was nice enough to give me this in exchange for my help in his shop one day. So he said he never put it he said he never put it in a car. And it's, let's see, we've got the rebuild kit for the rear end, and we have the gear in that box too. So this will be the next project. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of taking it out. The first video was a little long. I wanted to shorten it some. So anyway, it was fun. We almost caught some stuff on fire. The shock's still dangling under there. Probably just gonna cut it because I can't get it out from under there. But she's out. Let's go get fuel. Freedom! There ain't a hell of a lot in there. Imagine that. Trying to get the cyclone effect going here, but it ain't working. Does that give anybody anxiety? Because it does me. Well, we got more on the floor than we got in the tank. Come on now. Now! All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with us and getting to play around and get this thing out of here. One more thing done, but this opened up a whole new door on other things that need to be done. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends. Until next time, guys, have a good one.